defense is a heavy rescue team ready to tackle any disaster. Because closure is not an option.
Out on the coke, the monkey is out of its cage and is rolling out to a trailer on a cliff.
I don't want to be monkey-like or anything, but I can do anything with Bruce's override.
The plan is to have the 750 pull right at a 90-degree angle and use the truck power to pull it up the bank.
I'm gonna get the trailer hooked up and go.
400 kilometers to the west, Al Quiring rolls out to a tractor trailer flipped on highway number 1.
You can't have the number 1 closed because right when it's closed, it becomes an issue. I think we should do the famous
Alder Grove Jelly Roll, which I feel uneasy about because we've got strong winds and that doesn't mix well with the rotator.
Doug will position his rotator on the heaviest part of the wreck, the trailer.
I like to survey the scene first and start planning how me and my good friend Sammy are going to perform this recovery.
Al Quiring will do the same as Doug, but on the front of the truck.
With the truck having 2 control lines, it won't slam down hard on the road.
But as Al and Doug lift, the whole wreck starts to shift in mid-air due to the high winds.
We need to control this load or both wreckers will flip over.
I've decided to have one winch line to the axles of the trailer and one main winch will help control it while it's rolling over, and it'll be a controlled roll. The truck is a really light load, which makes it easy to swing.
With the wreck completed safely and efficiently, Al and Doug will tow the truck away.
Time for a beer, eh, Sammy? Bula bula!
The next day, lead driver Scott Bird arrives on scene to a truck fully loaded with 60,000 pounds of peat moss.
Well, the 750 is a nice truck to take out on a spin, but not on an everyday basis.
But the Old Homes wrecker only has 25 tons of pulling power.
Scott's out in an old truck, so I'm gonna lend him a hand.
Jamie shows up with HR 126, a truck with 35 tons of pulling power.
Let's put my truck on the rear of the trailer, which is the heavy end, and you can pull on the front of the truck.
But in the heavy recovery world, nothing is perfect.
I told the police that we would have less than a 10-minute closure. One piece at a time, eh?
150 kilometers to the northwest, Lone Wolf Al Quiring has responded to a mammoth recovery.
The truck went down 40 feet. That is one big ass truck.
The truck weighs 100,000 pounds, pushing Al Quiring's truck to the limit.
My truck only has a capacity of 50 tons.
Al will rig one line to the front of the truck and one line to the back of the truck. The truck is on its wheels, but Al needs Gord to release the brakes.
It's the most scary part about heavy recovery because when the brakes are released, the truck could pull us down.
With the brakes unlocked, Al can now keep pulling.
Yes, that's a good wreck.